Is it safe to use vinegar on all types of tile floors?
In this video, we'll be discussing whether it's safe to use vinegar on all types of tile floors. Vinegar is a popular, natural cleaning solution, but it's important to know if it's suitable for your specific floor type.
What types of tile floors can you safely use vinegar on?
Porcelain and ceramic tiles are the best candidates for vinegar cleaning. These types of tiles are non-porous and durable, making them resistant to the mildly acidic nature of vinegar. To clean these tiles, you can mix equal parts water and white vinegar for a simple, effective solution.
What types of tile floors should you avoid using vinegar on?
There are some tile floors that are not compatible with vinegar. These include 1. Stone tiles such as marble, granite, limestone, and travertine. Vinegar's acidity can etch and damage the surface of these tiles, causing them to lose their shine and become dull. 2. Vinyl tiles. Vinegar may cause discoloration or damage to the adhesive that holds vinyl tiles in place.
What can you use to clean tiles that aren't compatible with vinegar?
For tiles that aren't compatible with vinegar, you can use a pH-neutral cleaner that's specifically designed for your tile type. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions on how to use the cleaner, and always test a small, inconspicuous area before applying it to the entire floor.
How do you clean tile floors with vinegar?
If you have porcelain or ceramic tiles, follow these steps to clean your floor with vinegar. 1. Sweep or vacuum the floor to remove loose dirt and debris. 2. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a bucket or spray bottle. 3. Dampen a mop or cloth with the vinegar solution, wringing out any excess liquid. 4. Mop or wipe the floor, working in small sections. 5. Dry the floor with a clean, dry cloth or towel to prevent water spots. In summary, while vinegar is an excellent natural cleaning solution, it's important to know if it's safe for your specific tile floor. Always remember to use vinegar on porcelain and ceramic tiles, but avoid using it on stone and vinyl tiles. For those, opt for a pH-neutral cleaner designed for your tile type.